folks. Thanks again for joining us on Barely on Fire. In this episode, we will be redoing the curtains over the overhead cab. And actually, this was a pretty fun project. We just ended up sewing the new curtains over the old curtains so that we could use the same hardware and to provide kind of the blackout shades for the top when we have guests. So you'll see we sewed right along the seam of the old ones so that we could use this awesome hardware, which obviously works really well. So once we got the first two panels up, we pushed those off to the right, and then you'll see I'm working on the third panel here. And then we'll put those up as well. We've got our new little bench, which is storage, which is great for seating as well as for a footrest when you're on the couch. Once we get all four of these panels up, I'll also hem the bottom, but we're really excited about how they're turning out. And so we actually bought 2 packages with 2 panels each of curtains to do this project right at TJ Maxx. And the 2 panels together were longer than the panels on the RV curtains. So we actually sewed the 2 together and then brought the end around the other side, which gives it a kind of thick and a little bit more of a luxurious feel to it. So we're really happy about how that turned out, and it looks really, really nice. Here's a look at the seams right up against the other seam. And then you'll see here where we overlapped and a piece of it went around the backside of the dark curtain there. We're really excited about how these curtains brighten up the space, and we often use the overhead cab as a standing desk. So it's nice to be able to close the curtain and cover up the little workstation there as well. It's really brightened up the space, and it was a pretty easy project. It did take some time, maybe an hour and a half per panel, but we're really, really pleased with how it came out. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.